Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to unlink your Amazon Echo from your Amazon account. This is especially useful if you're selling your device, giving it to someone else, or simply want to disconnect it from your account. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account with your credentials. After you've signed in successfully, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the Account and Lists menu. Hover your mouse over this section, and from the drop-down that appears, select Devices. This will take you to the page where all your registered Amazon devices are listed. Now, I should mention that I don't currently have Echo devices registered in my account, but I'll walk you through exactly what you need to do next. Once you're on the Devices page, look for your Echo device in the list. This could be an Echo Dot, Echo Show, or any other Echo product you own. Click on the device you want to unlink from your account. After clicking on it, you'll be taken to that specific device's settings page. Here you'll see various options and information about your Echo. Look for the button labeled Deregister. This is the key step that removes the device from your Amazon account. Go ahead and click on Deregister. Amazon will then ask you to confirm this action, as deregistering removes all your personal settings and account information from the device. Click Deregister again to confirm that you really want to proceed. This double confirmation ensures you don't accidentally remove a device you still want to use. After confirming, you'll need to wait just a moment for Amazon to process your request. You should see a confirmation message appear on your screen indicating that the device has been queued for deregistration. This means the Echo is now disconnected from your account and all your personal data has been removed from it. And that's it. Your Amazon Echo is now successfully unlinked from your Amazon account and ready to be set up by a new owner or factory reset. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.